A Google Pixel tablet. I'm going to show you how to factory reset, a hard reset using the hard keys, okay? So just remember, with the factory reset, you will lose all your photos, your videos, personal information, and so on, okay? So the first thing we got to do is go ahead and turn it off. Power button and volume up. Power button, volume up. I'm just going to go ahead and press those right there. Get the power off menu here. Let's go ahead and power off. Okay, now when it's totally off, next thing we're going to do is we're going to press and hold the power button and the volume down, okay? Volume down, power. Say ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons and just keep holding here. Boom. Oops. This screen here will pop up. Okay, so on fast boot right now. Now if you look up here, you want to use the volume up and down rockers. So what you want to do is, it says start right there. So we just want to go to barcode, rescue mode, recovery mode is what we want. Now to select it, you got to press the power button right above that. So we're going to go ahead and press the power button right there. And now we should get to a no command here with a dead Android guy. No command. And now from here, what you got to do is press and hold the power button. Hold the power button and tap the volume up once. And boom. We should be here. Okay, now from here, you can scroll up and down using the volume up and down rockers, okay? But what we want to do is go to wipe data / factory reset. Again, it's going to delete everything on here, okay? So if you want to go ahead and proceed with the factory reset, next thing to select it, we're going to tap on the power button to select it, and you get a message here that this cannot be undone, okay? Also, if you guys have a Gmail account that was synced to the email app, after you do the factory reset during setup, it may ask you for that Gmail address along with the password, okay? So I'm gonna go down, proceed, I'm gonna go to factory reset. Just go down one, it's highlighted right there. I'm gonna tap on that power button to proceed. Now it's doing it, okay, wipe data complete, all right? Now it says it defaults to reboot system now, exactly what we want. So we want that, so we're just gonna tap the power button to select it. Just like that. And just be patient here now. And there we go. It took about a minute, but there you go. Questions or issues? Comment below. Good luck, guys.